So guys, so ito po yung project natin is in DCG Residences. So high-rise tower siya. So ito po yung update ngayon ng project construction natin dito sa Chinorosis, Makati City. Yan po. Yan. So yung pinaka-update natin, napakagandang project. Prime location, saka transit oriented. So ang ganda ng area, central business po talaga siya. So good for Airbnb staycation for rental business. Yan, napakagandang project. Ito naman natin. Area niya. Wow, yung update natin. Napakagandang project ito guys. Tawid tayo, tawid. Ayan, ito po, makakita natin. Wow, napakagandang project. Ay,